What's up guys, this is iDeviceLab009 and in today's video we are going to take a look at iOS 7 on this iPad first generation. If you remember from my previous video, I actually upgraded it to iOS 7.0. Let's begin the video. So I need to be clear on some things. The keyboard does not work, the audio doesn't work, and Bluetooth doesn't work either, and Springboard may crash sometimes, as you can see from my previous video where I had some issues. And keyboard does not work. I'm going to try audio to see if it works or not. Bluetooth and audio do not work. As you can see, the project has been updated on GitHub, although it is not officially released, and some stuff have changed, but I will make another video when it will fully finished. So let's begin. So we are going to start our way from the bottom and work our way up. So first off is messages. Without the keyboard it's pretty useless. iMessage unavailable. Next up is mail. We have iCloud, Exchange, Google, Yahoo, AOL, Outlook, and other. Safari. And we can go to any page because we are not connected to the internet. Next up we have music. You can load songs onto it, but without any audio it's pointless. We have settings. And as you can see, if I go to general about, we are indeed on iOS 7. As you can see, you can basically do anything except typing and audio. Next up we have control center. And looks like it may work, although I think you need to, there we go, you need to sign in. Next up we have newsstand. Nothing happens because we are not connected to the internet. We have iTunes Store, cannot connect to iTunes Store. App Store, cannot connect to App Store. Next up we have Maps. And it may work, although I'm not sure. No, it doesn't work. We have videos. And we have no videos. We can sync them with iTunes, but without any audio it is pointless. Next we have notes, and I will come back to this in a bit. We have reminders, and you can set a reminder. We have calendar. And yeah, calendar on iOS 7. We have photos. You need to import them with iTunes. Contacts. Don't have any. And clock. And you can set a clock, a timer. Now, although I said that the keyboard doesn't work, I have a trick up my ass. Wait, no, that didn't sound good. Editor, cut this out.
No.
I have a trick up my sleeve. The first generation Apple keyboard dock, and this is made specifically for the iPad first generation. Let's try to put it in. There we go. I'm going to go to notes. Let's see if I can write a note. And there we go, I can write. So it's possible to write with the keyboard, but only the external keyboard. I am going to try one more thing. These are my headphones. They are Sony WH-X1000-XM3s because Sony doesn't know how to name things properly. I'm actually going to try to connect it via the aux cable. Maybe sound will be outputted. Ooh, tight fit. Come on. Oh gosh. It restarted. Seriously? Let's try to load it back onto iOS. There we go. And I'm going to try to plug in the headphones again. Oh, and that basically kills it. Okay. So no, it doesn't work. You can't plug headphones into this, unfortunately. So that wraps it up. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.